Hello everyone, my name is Peter Steele with Learn Code Today, and welcome back to another video in this series on C# algorithms. Today we're going to take a look at an algorithm that checks two numbers and gives us some Boolean outputs. Let's begin. Alright, so as I said in the intro here, today we're going to be doing another algorithm check here, and it's going to basically be checking two given integers and returning true if one of them is 30 or their sum together as a pair is 30, and then false if it's not. So let's jump over to the editor here, and I've already taken the liberty again to copy and paste in the instructions so we don't have to keep flipping back and forth. So as we did in the previous videos, we need to make sure that we go through the word problem here and make sure we check all the language and the lingo so we understand exactly what's being asked of us. So we're going to check two given integers, so we know that we're going to need to accept two inputs, and we need to return true if one of them is 30 or if their sum together is 30. So we're going to be working with booleans here instead of just the integers that we've been working with in the past two videos. So we're going to jump down here and create another method here, public static. We are going to be returning a boolean this time, so we need to put bool in, and we're just going to call this check nums. And again, we need two inputs, so we're going to do int num1, int num2, and we can begin. So we're going to be using ternaries again with this. It's going to be a little bit longer and a little bit more complex looking than usual, but it still will work just fine. So we are going to return, and in this case here, we are going to use the different expressions to check basically three different conditions. If num1 equals 30, num2 equals 30, or num1 plus num2 equals 30. So we can do num1 is equal to 30. But again, remember from last video, we don't want to do this, right? So what we want to do instead, real quick, is we want to do a constant int, and we'll call this given. How about that? And it's going to be 30. So our given is 30. Now we can do our return statement here. And essentially num1 is equal to given, or, and if you've never seen this symbol before, this is the double pipe, which stands for or inside of programming. Num2 is equal to given, or, kind of harping on that a little bit, num1 plus num2 is equal to the given. Right? So our ternary operator comes into play here, and we're going to be working with booleans. So if it's true, we return true. If it's false, well, we just return false. Simple as that. That is our entire little bit there. It's going to have a squiggle to yell at me to put it as a lowercase g, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to get into semantics and all that, you're more than welcome to. So console write line here, we're going to call our method that we just created here. And again, the website does give us some sample inputs here. So 30 and 0. So 30 and 0. We're going to copy these. I believe there's 4 of them. I believe this one was 25 and 5. Yep, 25, 5, 20, 30, and 20, 25. So 20 and 30. And then that one was 20 and 25. Okay. So let's run this real quick and we'll take a peek and see what our output is. So we should get true, 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 false, which indeed is exactly what we get. And so that algorithm is working. So if you guys found that video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like the videos that you find helpful. Thumbs down if you don't find it very useful. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. We are just starting out, so I appreciate any help that you guys can give us. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Hey everyone, if you like that video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. And if you want more tips, tricks, and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You can find us on the web on Facebook and Twitter. And if you'd like to view more videos, just click on the video cards on your screen now.